Hi, you guys. I am going to do, not just me, some of my friends too. I'm distracted with the kids, sorry. They're about to put my curtain in the door. Like, close it in the sliding door. Anyway, do you like my shirt? Like an oil boss? I like it. I got it from the retreat. They were like, come pick out a shirt and we'll mail it to you in your size. So, if you have seen my post from earlier today, you saw that we're doing a starter kit boot camp. I like to do this once in a while because, like every 6 months or so, because we get new members in here and there's old members in here, maybe people who are not comfortable with their starter kit oils and the Ninja and the Thieves. Okay, so this is one thing I talked about a lot lately. Okay, my Thieves honey. Now you have a Thieves Vitality, so when you do this, it's the same oil. Okay, use your Thieves Vitality or a big one if you have a big one. Super simple. And what I do is I buy these jars in bulk. Amazon is a pretty good place to get them. Sometimes they're on sale at Target. Don't pay more than $1 a jar. That's a lot of money, okay, for one of these things. And I think it's about 4 ounces. I think it's 4 ounces. And so that's a half a cup, right? So what I do is I just keep a jar of this a lot of the time. You can imagine in my family, if you know me, you know I have 8 kids. If you didn't know me, now you know I have 8 kids. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll go 10, okay? And then I'm going to taste it because I don't always measure and I don't always remember how many drops of things I do. So, anyway, you can imagine how fast we go through this kind of stuff, especially in the fall and winter for my family. So this is it, Thieves and honey. Super simple, guys. And what you want to do is keep it accessible. So when I mean accessible, okay, this is my kitchen. You see my oils? It's by my coffee pot. It reminds me when I go to get coffee every morning, oh, hey, what oils do I need right now? What can I add to my drink of water when my coffee's brewing, or my Ningxia Red, or what should I diffuse today? Like while I'm waiting for my coffee to brew, okay? So keep your oils close by and accessible so that you use them. And that's how you get the best results out of that $160 investment you made, okay? So when somebody in my family gets a sore throat or scratchy throat or whatever, of course they come and tell me. And if I have this out and ready, I get a spoon. And I do not give them a spoonful because it's too much honey. And they'll start choking on the honey, okay? But what you want to do is just give them a little itty-bitty taste off a spoon. And if you have 4 kids, get out 4 spoons. And it's okay. You just got to wash spoons. It's not a big deal. Okay, so you see what's on my spoon? I give them less than that, okay? I would dip it, pretend like this is a clean spoon. I'm not going to scrape it into here because I would get my germy fingers on there. But if this was a clean spoon, I would dip it in about this much. Then whatever is on the tip of the spoon, I'd stick that in their mouth, okay? And then I get a new spoon for each kid and do the same thing. Or you take a nice big spoonful of it like this and you stir it into hot water. For some Thieves, it's not really tea. You could do it in tea. I've just been doing it straight in water because water is better for me than another caffeinated beverage, okay? Because I am a coffee drinker. But I'm actually starting to crave the Thieves or cinnamon and clove with honey more than I crave coffee. Now that just seems absurd to me because I've always loved coffee so much. But my body knows what it needs, and I don't think it's more coffee. So I'm actually going to make some up right now. I'm just going to stir this into a cup, of hot water, and I'm going to drink it. It's going to be delicious. It's going to give me a nice immune boost. It's going to be soothing for my throat because my throat still kind of hurts from being sick a couple weeks ago. Seriously. Now, what else would I do? If my kid said, one of my kids came to me and said, hey, Mom, I got a sore throat. I used to freak out, seriously. It used to send me to the bathroom. Like, I had issues because I would get scared when my kids were sick. Hi, Peter. You can come say hi. They want to pretend I don't have kids. Say hi. This is Peter. I'm making Thieves Honey. Do you like Thieves Honey?
Yes.
Okay, good.
You don't think?
Josh doesn't like it. But Peter likes it. So I also just bought Super C chewables. I bought both of these, okay? This is for Mom and Dad, and anybody who can swallow a pill, they get this one, including me. Even though I like the chewables, I tried it. But there's 90 in here, and I have 8 kids. The baby's not getting these, so let's say I have 7 kids, and I am not good at math, so I don't know how many times 7 goes into 90, but it's not. This isn't gonna last me very long, okay? So that's why I got this one for me and my husband, because I need this. I need them to have this every day, and I'm just gonna buy it on the ER every day. And if you don't know what ER is, then you need to know. So that's our monthly subscription program. You get to put whatever you want on there. Every month you get a box in the mail with what you want in it. So get a Super C. It's like $30, 20 something for one of these bottles of Super C. Another great thing to do is get Ninja Red. So you might know I was sick. So my husband is on Essential Rewards. I'm on Essential Rewards. My daughter Abby is on Essential Rewards, and my daughter Lizzie is on Essential Rewards. You want to say hi, Anna? This is Anna. She is 13 now. So anyway, Essential Rewards. You can replace your kit oils. You can buy a new diffuser. Another diffuser, because you need one for your bedroom, and you need one for your kids' room, and you need one for your living area. Okay, so anyway, you can buy these supplements. So I bought these on Lizzie's ER. On my husband's ER, I got Inner Defense, which is another thing that I think you guys need for this season. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, so they stick together. Inner Defense is just a little, this is a pill of thieves and oregano, basically. And you just take it when you're feeling off. So, Thieves Honey, Super C, Inner Defense. If you feel anything in your throat, you start to sneeze, or you're getting super drowsy or whatever, load up, guys, and it will be so good for you. The other thing is Ninja Red. So Ninja Red, I got my husband his ER. No, what did I get? Oh, that's right. I got this for free because my husband, his ER, I was super sick. So I was like, I have to get Ninja, okay? So I looked to see what was the best price. It is the Ninja Essential Rewards collection bundle. I forgot what it's called. Poppy, if you're still watching, can you tell me what it's called? It's like 187 PV. You get 4 big bottles. 4 big. You see my empties over there? I save them and I put kombucha in there. So I got 4 bottles and a box, the 30 pack of the sachets, the kind that came in your starter kit. I got that, and then I added on the einkorn flour, which was about 4 PV and $8. So I got the 190 promo items, which was this, a clove, and a digest. My husband, that makes it easy for me to put a digest next to his bed because he's got an extra one, okay? So that's that Ninja and the Inner Defense. I did it a day and a half, and I was like, oh my goodness, I am finally getting over this sickness. I felt so much better. So The promos this month are amazing. So you can get free cinnamon at the 190 level, I think, and oregano at 100, and there's something else I cannot remember because I'm tired. Okay. I woke up in the middle of the night and I was like, I usually stay up until midnight to see the promos and schedule a post for like first thing on the first time. Thank you, Jill. But I woke up in the middle of the night with a baby and I looked and I was like, oh, the promos, yay. And so it's kind of foggy. And I posted it, but I've been out all day. So I haven't really looked at it. But I know they're good, and I know that they're immune oils, which is awesome, and immune products because we just talked about that in September. So, oh, cool. It's okay. It's okay. They freak out when I do a video and like somebody talks. They get all upset because mom's doing a video. It's okay. You guys know I have kids. Anyways, so thyme and oregano are raindrop oils. I think we should talk about raindrop more than we do. And if you guys are local, come to the rally. We are going to talk about the raindrop technique, and we're going to show you how to do it on your feet. So after I see that, and I learned myself from my friend Dana, who's in a different group with Young Living, I will show you guys. Okay? So thyme, oregano, they're all the blue oils. Marjoram, basil, those are all raindrops. But you can also use peppermint, thieves, cinnamon. Frankincense is a huge one. Frankincense and copaiba, I always use those if I do a raindrop. Now, if somebody's sick, what I do is I put a carrier oil on their back, and I drop those oils one by one on their back and rub them in one by one. So I kind of got off track, but that's the Thieves honey. Okay, so if you feel sick, a little bit of Thieves honey. Okay, you have to be quiet. Also, the big powerhouses, if you're feeling sick, Super C, Inner Defense, Ningxia Red. Okay, get it, and you know, like there's so many benefits to the subscription box. So if you're not on it, ask your enroller and try it. Like give it a 3-month shot and see. Yes, no, you can't have Ningxia. Somebody's trying to get me to give him Ningxia right now. No, buddy. So, anyways, thank you for watching, and expect a video at least a couple times a week. I'm going to show you tons of tips and tricks this month, and it's going to be lots of fun. So, oh, and maybe we should do something fun like, I don't know. I'm going to come up with something fun. We need to liven it up, okay? Because it's October, and it's a fun month to do little things like this, okay? So, thank you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.